It also
people don't like that.
made me question scientific papers for the first time. When I was informed by people who don't want to talk about it publicly, how these things work. Like from when I talked to people who are physicians who said, listen, this is why I can't talk about this publicly. This is why I can't discuss this. And this is why when you read a scientific paper and you read the conclusion, what you don't understand is that this study was designed to show one very specific outcome. And if it didn't, you would never see it.
That happens all the time. Like
I would have never imagined that before COVID. I thought that when there's any sort of scientific study or a medical study or anything about something, what they're trying to do is find out what's true. I did not know that they can do 10 studies, and if 8 of them show negative side effects, they could remove those and just find some carefully constructed, very biased study that points to a very specific outcome that's desired.
Oh, absolutely.
I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah.
That scares the shit out of me.
Well, because they don't publish null findings. You know, they only publish if they get a finding.
Exactly.
So then you don't know all the cases where it's like they didn't find anything or they found the opposite.
Well, even
results.
worse, when I talked to John Abramson and he explained to me how data is like when they do like a peer-reviewed study on, say, a pharmaceutical drug, you're not really doing a peer-reviewed study on the data. You're doing a peer-reviewed study on the interpretation of the data by the pharmaceutical company. So they don't have access to the actual study. They don't have access to the data. They have access to the conclusions that are given to them by the pharmaceutical companies, and then they review that. Which is fucking insanity. That's like the wolf telling you what he did to the hen house. It's like, you know, like basically they were all dead when I got there.
Right.